Today we're taking a look at the next generation of lightweight power mobility, the Jazzy Carbon 27 Folding Powerchair. The Jazzy Carbon 27 brings together power, comfort, and ultra-lightweight design in a way that's honestly impressive. Built with a strong carbon fiber frame, this chair weighs just 27.8 pounds without the battery, folds in seconds, and is incredibly easy to transport. It supports up to 300 pounds, delivers a smooth ride thanks to front suspension, and offers the quality and durability Jazzy is known for. One of the biggest advantages here is how travel-friendly it is. The Jazzy Carbon 27 folds down to a compact size and locks securely with the built-in strap, making it easy to load into a car or store away. It also comes standard with an airline-compliant lithium battery, so whether you're planning a trip or just heading out for the day, you've got flexibility and peace of mind. Comfort hasn't been overlooked either. You get flip-up carbon fiber armrests, a supportive seat cushion, lap belt, cup holder, and under-seat storage all included. The Jazzy Carbon 27 is an excellent option for anyone who wants a lightweight power chair without sacrificing performance, especially if you travel, drive frequently, or need something easy to handle day to day. So if you're looking for a folding power chair that's strong, modern, and incredibly portable, the Jazzy Carbon 27 checks a lot of boxes. If you'd like more details, pricing, or availability, be sure to check the link in the description or give us a call at 800-431-3183. As always, we're here to help you find the right mobility solution for your lifestyle.